Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today I just got done putting some makeup on my face. I just have not worn makeup in forever, so I figured why not throw some makeup on my face and feel like put together something, right? My youngest baby is down, so that leaves my older two up and ready to go for the morning. I'm about to make them breakfast, make me some coffee, and then we're gonna get started on some schoolwork, probably around 9:30. Then we have a Zoom call at 10. And then while they're doing their work, I'm gonna be cleaning up around before my youngest wakes up. But yeah, so I figured why not just take you guys along with me today, just to see a glimpse in the day of my life. So I'm gonna be cleaning a lot today, so I figured why not do like a cleaning slash like day in the life, almost quarantine vlog, I guess you can say, because yeah, it's been a little crazy. So yeah, let's go make these children some breakfast, get them ready. Now mind you, we don't really plan to go nowhere, but I still want to get them in some type of clothing that's not pajamas, and brush their teeth and do their hair and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started with the day. Coffee. Coffee, 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 coffee. It's so good. So good. Oh, oh my goodness! Yeah. So yeah, so that's pretty much. I'm about to start cleaning up. It's later on in the day. I don't know this lighting, why it makes me look so bright. It is later on in the day, so I'm gonna get cleaning done. Hopefully he'll go down for a little bit. I have this monster brewing. Oh, it hurts so bad. But yeah, I got some cleaning to get done, and let's get started. Okay, I just got my little guy down for a nap, and I'm about to get cleaning, but I wanted to show y'all what I got today, and I'm excited because they're really hard to find now. Especially with everything going on with the pandemic and stuff, they're really hard to find. I'm talking about steam mop. Okay, let me show y'all. I was looking at a different one. and it was $2.49 I saw, and I said $2.49, right? Okay, double chin accent all the way. Okay, so I found this one at Walmart and it was only $79. I got so excited. Now I follow this girl, her name's Paige Danielle. I don't know if you guys know who I'm talking about, but I've been watching her channel for a little while now, and when she recommends something for cleaning, I normally listen. So this is what it is. It's this Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. It eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria. And I love that it sanitizes with steam. So I'm gonna probably use this probably Saturday. But yeah, my house is a complete disaster. My kitchen's a disaster. Everything's a disaster. So my makeup still looks good. I've had it on since, I don't know what time though, is that like 7 this morning? So it's still holding up pretty good. That Fenty primer always everything. But yeah, so let's get started getting cleaning. I need to drink me some water, get me some music going, and let's get this cleaning thing going. That moment you got carried away cleaning and forgot to take something out, and now you don't have nothing to cook, so you ordered Chick-fil-A through DoorDash. Before the food gets here, I'm gonna finish up sorting through my little guy's laundry, and yeah, he's still sleeping, so hopefully I can get through that laundry and then this thing, and then look at them over there. Look at these little nuggets. They're so cute. I cannot look at them. I'm telling you, it goes by so fast. Like, I've been in the same 2-bedroom apartment. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and I've been in here since my youngest or my middle son was 7 months. I've been in this apartment since my middle was 7. But I'm not gonna move just yet because I'm starting classes June 4th. For me to get my ADN. So I'm super excited. I have 6 classes, And then once I get them 6 classes, boom, bam, out of the way, I'm gonna apply to the nursing program. So I'm super, super excited. I'm kind of nervous to take A&P online, but I think it'll work out. I hope it'll work out. I really pray it'll work out. Finish cleaning before this food gets here, and we gonna wrap this video up. Ooh, I need to come in here and straighten up in here, but I actually have a video coming on maybe Saturday, of me just cleaning. I don't know what else to call it. Of me just cleaning, pretty much. I got a bunch of cute clothes from shops Chic Soul off of Instagram. I love them. That's actually where I got this shirt from. I love this shirt. I could have actually gone down to 2X the more that I wear it, but it's just gonna be fine. I mean, I need the extra room anyway. I have a few videos coming up. I have a clean with me coming on Saturday, and then a grocery haul on Sunday. I need to place my Walmart grocery pickup order. And then that's pretty much it. I feel bad because this is like my first like vlog, I guess you can say, and I feel like I didn't do anything. I mean, what we did do, I didn't bring you guys along with me because my battery was dead and it was at home charging. So I mean, I guess there's a first for everything. Not everybody's first vlog is going to be the most entertaining, I guess. Also, I don't know if people do digital planning, but I digitally plan everything. I have a digital planner, I have digital stickers, all that good stuff, and I'm like addicted to it. And I'm going to be digitally planning my week next week, this weekend. So that's going to be somewhere. I'm thinking about doing a video on digital planning. I love digital planning. It's so much fun. I'll actually link the video I found down below. It's Holly Pixels. I found her video, and her video made me want to digitally plan. And the day I watched her video, I bought my digital planner, and I've been addicted ever since. I love it. And I've only been doing it for a month, and I love it. I love it. So I may throw that in somewhere in a video somewhere. I've already planned this week already. Here, let me just show y'all. Okay, so here's my iPad, and what I do is I put everything in GoodNotes, and here's my digital planner right here. So this is this week, and then if you press this, I do have an Apple Pen as well. It's probably dead. I have it down here. Here, let me just try to use it. I don't know if it is alive or dead, but we'll see. Let's see. Yeah, it may be dead. Yeah, my Apple Pen's dead. I have the 2019 iPad. I know the newest iPad, the iPad Pro, you could actually just stick your thingy on the side of it and it'll charge. These, you have to stick it in there. I don't know. But anyways, so yeah. So, you can use your finger too. So I'm going to go to May. And this is how I digitally plan. Like, it comes, so I'll show you June. It comes plain like this, right? But what you do is you get like sticker books. Like this is a sticker book that I have. And you can put stickers in it. This is a fitness sticker book I have. I have all kinds of sticker books. These are all sticker books right here. And I probably will get more, but like these are all sticker books. So anyways, so it comes plain like this, and you can use stickers to get back to, you can use stickers to make it yourself. So this is my May layout starting tomorrow, obviously. And I've already planned for tomorrow. So then next week I'll be planning, well, this Saturday I'll be planning for next week. So I'm gonna be doing meal planning and all that, and I guess I can make a video if you guys are interested. If not, that's fine too. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. I mean, there's not really much going on in my life. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just kind of follow me along watching, and I hope to do more of these and kind of like getting used to it and kind of develop almost like a schedule, I want to say, I guess. I don't know. Right now I'm just kind of uploading sporadically, a couple videos here, a few videos this here, no videos for a while. So hopefully I can get a nice little schedule. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to take this makeup off and check on these children. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.